Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Maths Made Easy with Onipade. In today's class, we want to look at simultaneous equation. In simultaneous equation, we have three methods of solving. We have the elimination method, the substitution method, and the graphical method. In this class, we are going to start with elimination method. Now, we have a question on the board, so we are asked to solve this question using elimination method. In that case, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to make sure that I label this. So this is going to be my equation 1, while this one is going to be my equation 2. Then after that, the next thing is to make sure that the coefficients of one of the variables are the same in both equation 1 and equation 2. What do I mean by that? You can see that the variables involved here are x and y. So I'm going to make sure that the coefficients of x, if I choose x, I may choose x first. If I choose x, I will make sure that the coefficients of x in both equation 1 and 2 are the same. If I choose y, I will make sure that the coefficients of y in both equation 1 and equation 2 are the same. In this case, okay, I'm going to choose y. So I'm going to make sure that the coefficients of y in both equation 1 and 2 are the same. So how can I do that? So I'm going to say, to make them the same, for the equation 1, use the coefficients of y in equation 2 to multiply equation 1. What is the coefficient of y in equation 2? That is plus 5. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 5. Now, what is the coefficient of y in equation 1? That is 4. So I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 4. So now the next thing to do is to say 5 times 5x, that's 25x. 5 times minus 4y, that is minus 20y, equals to 5 times 21. What is 5 times 21? This is 5. 5 times 2, that is 10. And I'm going to have 105. So I'm done with this. I can name this my equation 3. Now, the next thing, 4 times 3x. 4 times 3x, that's going to give us 12x. 4 times plus 5y, that is plus 20y, equals to 4 times 20, that's going to give us 8. Equation 4. Now, next thing to do is to add equation 3 and 4 together. So in that case, I'm going to add equation 3 and 4 together. So in that case, I'm going to have 25x plus 12x minus 20y plus 20y equals to 105 plus 80. So I'm going to have 25x plus 12x, that's 37x. This will cancel this, then equals to 185. Now, the next thing is to divide both sides by 37. So divide both sides by 37. So I'm going to have 37x all over 37 equals to 185 all over 37. So this cancels this. 185 divided by 37, that is 5. So our x will be equals to 5. Now, having gotten the value of x, the next thing is to substitute x equals to 5 in any of the equations. So I can use equation 1, I can use equation 2. So, okay, let me use equation 2 in equation 2. So I'm going to have 3x plus 5y equals to 20. To substitute the value of x, so I'm going to have 3 into bracket. That means anywhere you see x, you replace it with 5. So I'm going to have this. Alright, so 3 times 5, 15, plus 5y equals to 20. Then I'm going to make y the subject. So this 15 should move here. So I'm going to have 20 minus 15. That's 5y equals to 5. So you divide both sides by 5. When you divide both sides by 5, you are going to have 5y all over 5 equals to 5 all over 5. So this cancels this. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So I'm going to have y equals to 1. So the value of our x is 5, x equals to 5, and for y, y equals to 1. So that's how to solve questions using elimination method. So in our next video, we shall be looking at how to use substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in the next video.